Las Vegas has a lot to offer, but it can be expensive. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share 12 free things to do in Las Vegas. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So first we have the Bellagio fountains. This is one of the most popular attractions in Las Vegas, and for good reason. From 3 p.m. every day, the fountains perform to music every 30 minutes, and then every 15 minutes after 7 p.m. You can get an amazing view from the rooms of the Cosmopolitan, but anywhere along the strip you will be able to spot the Bellagio fountains. Next we have the Fremont Street Experience. Yes, you can spend money in the casinos, bars and restaurants on this street, but the street itself is worth visiting and it is free. Experience the old style lights and ceiling light shows whilst you are there. With over 160 species of fish and open 24 hours a day, the aquarium at the Silverton is a fantastic free attraction in Las Vegas. Holding more than 117,000 gallons, this attraction is perhaps the best thing to do in Vegas for free. Don't miss the mermaid shows. You can even have a meal during the performances. Then we have the Flamingo Wildlife Habitat. Situated in the Flamingo Hotel, this is a surprise for many Vegas visitors. Beat the heat and escape the crowds of the strip whilst enjoying these beautiful creatures up close. Another free attraction in Las Vegas is the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. Open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, the garden display changes seasonally and is worth admiring. Also, make sure to check out the Mirage volcano. Every hour on the hour between 6 p.m. to 11 p.m, the volcano erupts in front of the Mirage Hotel. This delivers a fantastic show to the many tourists that experience it every day. Another free thing to do in Vegas is to see the fabulous Las Vegas sign. The sign is located about 1 mile south of Mandalay Bay and is easy to reach via car. The Circus Hotel offers free circus performances every half hour from 11 a.m. Head to the upstairs level of Midway and enjoy the 40-minute performance. This is a great free thing to do in Vegas, especially if you are traveling with children, and the mini theme park inside Circus makes for a great day out too. Whilst you're in Vegas, make sure to check out the world's brightest light beam. So whilst wandering the strip at night, look over to the Luxor Hotel. You will see a beam shining to the heavens, and this is the world's brightest light beam. You can also experience Venice. So within the Venetian Hotel, you will find canals complete with Italian singers and gondolas. Try some gelato, appreciate the artwork all through the hotel, and get shopping. Then we have the ETHEL chocolate factory. Head over to the factory and take a free self-guided tour. Sample some chocolates and check out the botanical cactus gardens there too. And lastly, check out the movie locations. So many movies are filmed in Las Vegas, so make sure you check out the locations. The lobby in Caesar's Palace was used for the Hangover movies, whilst the Bellagio fountains were highlighted in Ocean's 11. Watch this video to find out how to save money in Vegas. Then, to learn about the best hotels in Vegas for all budgets, watch this video. Have a great time in Sin City and stay creative.